In this video, I'll break down my top 5 streaming devices, my experiences, and which streaming device I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order starting with the 5th ranked streaming device, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best streaming device and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Onn Android 4K streaming box. The Onn Android TV 4K streaming box offers exceptional value for its low price point. This compact device delivers 4K HDR streaming capabilities with support for HDR10 and HDR10+. It runs on the Google TV platform, providing access to thousands of apps and a user-friendly interface. The box is powered by a quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for streaming and basic gaming. With 8 GB of internal storage, users can install multiple apps and games. The included remote features voice control via Google Assistant, allowing for easy content searches and smart home control. The device supports Chromecast, enabling seamless content casting from mobile devices. Its compact design and HDMI cable inclusion make for easy setup and placement. At number 4, we have the Amazon Fire TV Stick. The Amazon Fire TV Stick offers an impressive array of streaming capabilities in a compact, affordable package. This device transforms any TV with an HDMI port into a smart streaming hub, providing access to popular services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. The Fire TV Stick supports high-quality video playback, including 4K resolution and HDR on compatible models. Its Alexa-enabled voice remote allows for easy navigation and content search, while also controlling smart home devices. The Fire TV interface is user-friendly and customizable, featuring personalized recommendations. With regular software updates, the device continually improves and adds new features. The Fire TV Stick also supports screen mirroring from compatible devices and offers expandable storage options. At number 3, we have the Roku Express. The Roku Express offers excellent 4K HDR streaming at an affordable price point. This compact device supports HDR10 and HDR10+, delivering crisp, vibrant visuals on compatible TVs. It comes with a voice remote that allows for easy navigation and content searches. The Express 4K Plus features dual-band Wi-Fi for smooth streaming and can be connected to Ethernet with an optional adapter. Its user-friendly interface provides access to thousands of streaming channels and apps. The device is compatible with popular voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. It also supports Apple AirPlay 2 for seamless streaming from iOS devices. The Roku Express offers quick performance with its upgraded processor and increased memory. At number 2, we have the NVIDIA Shield. The NVIDIA Shield stands out as a powerful and versatile streaming device. It features a Tegra X 1 Plus processor, which enables smooth 4K HDR playback and AI-enhanced upscaling for lower resolution content. The device supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, providing exceptional audio-visual quality. Running on Android TV, it offers access to a wide range of streaming apps and games. The Shield TV also functions as a Plex media server and supports GeForce Now for cloud gaming. Its compact cylindrical design is unique among streaming devices, while the redesigned remote includes backlit buttons and a lost remote finder feature. With 8 GB of storage and 2 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking efficiently. At number 1, we have the Roku Ultra. The Ultra is the best streaming device you can buy and is a powerful and versatile streaming device with its impressive 4K HDR capabilities. It supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, delivering stunning picture quality and immersive audio. The device features a quad-core processor that ensures smooth navigation and quick app launches. With dual-band Wi-Fi and an Ethernet port, the Ultra offers reliable connectivity options for seamless streaming. One of the Ultra's key features is its Voice Remote Pro, which includes hands-free voice control, a headphone jack for private listening, and a remote finder function. The device also supports Apple AirPlay 2, allowing easy streaming from iOS devices. Its USB port enables local media playback, while the Roku OS provides access to thousands of streaming channels and apps. The Ultra's interface is user-friendly and customizable, with a clean layout that prioritizes content discovery. It offers advanced search capabilities across multiple platforms, making it easy to find specific shows or movies. So that sums up my top 5 streaming devices I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.